I want to thank Slenderize Skinny Drops for being a part of this video. Alright, so on this one, we got a Honda Civic. Some pretty good curb rash. But I want you to notice this finish is not silver like your normal diamond cut, what they would call diamond cut rims. It's a different color. So I'm going to show you how I fixed that. This is like a metallic gray color. Slenderize Skinny Drops. Sales up 2,000%. 2,000 in the year 2024. It has caught fire. It is 100% organic homeopathic drops that you put under your tongue 10 to 15 minutes before your 3 main meals. There's a link in the description below to Slenderize Skinny Drops. If you use the code CHUCK91, all capital letters, CHUCK91 at checkout, you get a 15% discount. Alright, so I've taken some lacquer thinner, put it on my blue lint-free paper towel here, and we're going to start taking all the overspray off. And so I'm not going to bore you with watching me do every bit of this rim, but that's basically what we're doing. Sorry, I didn't realize the sun was glaring on you guys. Alright, so everything now good and clean, as you can see. Got my calipers masked off. So now we will throw the clear coat on it. Now she's good as new.